With this video, I am showing you how to create a HyDraw CAD template with your custom settings. To let you better understand what I am talking about, let me use this HyDraw ISO DWT template that comes with your HyDraw CAD setup to draw a small circuit. When I insert a symbol, I immediately notice that the grid size is not adequate. When I create an envelope, I see that also line scale for the envelope is not that as good as I expect. I will need to increase line scale. I want also to change balloon style. I don't like circles, and I want also a custom numbering scheme. Major drawing parameters can be controlled under options and can be stored into a new template. Let me close this drawing and create a new template from scratch. Let me initially change grid size. On the bottom left side you have grid. With the right click settings, you can change grid spacing, and I set grid spacing to 2 and major line every 4, and I change also snap, automatic snap. I don't know if you need to use automatic snap, but usually I set it to 2 or 1 and click OK. I am done with the grid. I go to HyDraw options, balloon, and I want to change balloon numbering scheme and also balloon type, and in this case also I don't want to display accessories in the drawing. For connection lines, I don't like jumpers, and I want to increase dot for connection lines. I go to miscellaneous, and I want to change display formats, text height, also envelope line scale, which I set to 3. With all the different HyDraw options tab, you may customize all your settings. When you are done, you click OK. Let me show you how to customize also paper space. With the right click, you go to layout, and you can modify your layout. You can set your default printer. You can set your custom plot style, your standard paper size, which you may also modify whenever you want in the schematic. I set it to A3. When you are done, you click OK. You can set different paper space. In this case I want to delete the second one, and I rename layout 1 with A3. With the right click, rename A3. I go back to model space, and now I save this new template. Within this Save Drawing As dialog, you can set your template name, position, and you are done. Now I want to set this template as my default template anytime I create a new drawing. I go to HyDraw options, Files, Template Settings, Default Template File Name for QNew. I select Draw, Browse, and I set my custom template. Open, apply, OK, and you are done. Now I want to check that everything is okay. I create a new drawing and I try to insert a new symbol. You can see that the grid size has changed, balloon style has changed. Let me insert an envelope. Envelope line scale has changed. I want also to see properties. Let me try with the pilot ratio. Text height is 2 mm. It is different from item ID. That parameter was controlled in this miscellaneous tab. Let me drag few connection lines to check connection dot, which is 1 mm. My paper space is A3 size, and go into plot settings. I see my default printer, my custom plot style, and all the settings are done.